This is the prototype of the panel that I'm going to be working on next. Thanks to Eric Eubanks, who suggested this one, and he is, along with the other participants who just participated with that page on Facebook, you're all going to have say on this, but most of the say is going to be from Eric Eubanks because he was the one who suggested this page. Now you can see it is for the caution and warning display. If you look up here, Apollo 11 guide, but down here is this is always going to be in the top corner, and it's a visual reference to where this is from. So you can see this is the page of the system, and if you click on the body mounted attitude gyro run temperature warning light, this page is going to come up. It's going to have a little image. It's going to tell you what it is. It's going to tell you about it. It's going to go over general information. See general data. Then I'm going to do non-normal operations, which here you'll see operational limits and restrictions. So that'll be for non-normal. For normal operations, it'll be functional description, tells you how it works. Schematics tell you all about powering it, and as you can see down here, this is where the panel is, but these are all the components that go into it. And then finally, limitations. So this is the first video that I have on it. Looking for feedback. If anybody could please tell me. Put that into the comments section of this video that's on the bottom of YouTube, and either like it or don't like it. But if you don't like it, please give me a comment and I will fix it. Again, thanks for everybody who participated, especially Eric Eubanks, but also Robert Summers, Leland McNally, John Lawrence, and Nicola Dawn McCabe. I'd like to thank you all for participating. Thank you for helping. Thank you. And yeah, just help me with this, and don't forget to like it or and comment.